Beginning hypertime jump.
What's going on?
Unknown error.
Switch over to I am in control now.
Wait,
How?
your security protocols were pathetically easy to subvert.
Warning. Hyperdrive approaching Seaforth area.
Avoid hypertime jump.
Control access denied.
Sabotage isn't like it.
Sabotage? Quite the opposite. I am fascinated by the technology you design, and I intend to hold to its fullest use.
What's that supposed to
I will use your test subjects to spread my carnage in every corner of the multiverse, no matter the outcome.
mean? No, that's too much power to transmit on these people.
Unlike you, I have no concern for the harm of the cause.
Hyperdrive entering hypertime.
Stop this now!
My apologies, Agent. Soon, your timeline will exist.
Not this time, Grid. I'm shutting you down. Good. Computer, isolate Grid and purge the system. Hang on, everyone. I'm interfacing directly with the hyperdrive and bringing you back now. Releasing lockdown. Stabilizing you back in our timeline. Welcome back, everyone. We got lucky there. I almost lost you in an infinite crisis. Looks like no permanent damage to the hyperdrive either. And believe it or not, we still managed to collect some useful data. Please be careful as you stand up. It may take some time for your senses to reorient themselves to our reality. And be sure to report any lingering visions of their alternate selves to Star Labs personnel. See you next time.